Ever wondered what happens when innovation meets elegance? Say hello to the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge. Let's dive in. First up, the Snapdragon X Elite processor. It's blazing fast, making multitasking feel like a breeze. Got 16 GB of RAM? Of course, this laptop laughs at lag. And storage? You get a whopping 512 GB SSD. That's space for all your games, projects, and more. Plus, with Windows 11 on board, you get the latest features right at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge is sleek and stylish. It's like having a piece of the future in your hands. Long battery life means no more hunting for power outlets. So why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge isn't just a laptop, it's a game changer. Ready to upgrade your tech life? The future is now, and it's looking sharp. Don't miss out. Get your Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge today and join the tech revolution.